So in this Visme tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to rotate a video on Visme. So once you have Visme open up on your device, what I want you to do is first off add a video into your design. So to do that, go to the left hand side of your screen. Right in between data and theme colors, it says media. Simply just press on media. Then at the top where it says videos, make sure that videos is selected. Now you can either go and view videos that you've uploaded yourself, you can embed some videos, or you can just add some stock footage as well. So if you just wanted to do perhaps of surfing, just for a demonstration, we'll go ahead and find a video of someone surfing just like this. I'll use this as a demonstration video. There you go. Now if you wanted to rotate the video, it's pretty straightforward and pretty easy. I simply just press on the video right here, then at the top there's this little rotational icon. Simply just grab this icon, hold it with your mouse, then you can either rotate it to the right, rotate it to the left, do what you got to do. You can shrink it as well, and if you just want to kind of play around with it this way, you sure can. You can place it, and boom, there you go. Pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can rotate a video here on Visme. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.